Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? We got, looks like this door got hit maybe. Out here a little bit in the jam. Cable off. Roller off. I did that. It was down on the floor. This section here, you can see it's pretty mangled up out of the opening. I also just put my 9-inch long stem wheel. I use these all the time for this. Might put one in there, I don't know yet. This cable is somewhat on, hard to see, but you gotta unwedge this from there and put Humpty back together again. I don't really know if he's gonna need a new door. I'll probably be able to fix this, put a strut on the bottom and send it. Maybe some new wheels. I'm probably gonna definitely move this hang too up more. We'll see. Innovative 632-719-343. Fix and repair hit garage doors by motor vehicles, motorcycles, trucks, trains, planes, automobiles, all that stuff. One-stop shop. Thanks for watching. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. We will possibly make a part 2 to this. But we're a local shop, 650 Ogden, and we'll take care of all your garage door needs. Sometimes when you think it's hit, it's not salvageable. We will fix it and salvage it for you. We'll let you know. Thank you. And if I didn't mention it, I'm going to mention it once more. And as always, praise the Lord. Thank you very much.